Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this vacuum from Aonus. It's the A9 and it comes with a pretty good power. As you see, it is without a cord, so that makes life much easier as well. Got a transparent top piece so we can actually see if something is getting stuck or something and remove that easily. You can just pull that up as well. As you see, we got a nice movement in front as well. Pretty much all the anchors are possible. We can increase the length of the middle part as well, which is great. Just push the button, pull it out and find what you need to get working. So that is pretty decent as well. As you can see here, it is quite long. I mean, I don't know when you are gonna use it that long, but you can. Maybe if you have like high ceilings or something. In the back, we got our power source down there. We can just pull that in or out. Quite easy. And then we also got this trigger, kind of like a gun. When you pull it, it is starting to do its magic. And then in the back, we got a little display. And as soon as we hit that button, that will light up. Dust compartment, easy to open. Also removable, so if you want to clean it up, just remove the whole bucket and go to your rubbish can and throw everything in there, what has to be in there. Pretty much, yeah, straightforward as that. So let's put that back in there. Just like that, just gonna squeeze it and then it's nice, tight and secure. And then it is good to go. And as you see, when it's turned on, we got a blue lighting effect in the back. Also how much percent of the battery is still there, and as you see, there's like different sucking modes. We can increase that, change the colors as well, so you see what is happening. When you go full power, it is definitely gonna use a lot of power source too though. But as you see, we got a flashlight in front. If you're under a table or something, you can easily work around that. Let's just try and clean this up in the kitchen. As you see, I did throw some rice on the floor because that normally is just flying around all over the place when you try to vacuum. So let's give it a try and see how good this actually works. Just going over there, nice study. And then you will see in a sec, it is doing quite good. Like there's like barely like any corns flying around, maybe like one or two. Otherwise, everything is getting soaked up right away and it's going to be in our basket. And we can remove that and throw that away. Everything is gone. So, yeah, pretty decent. And until the next time, you guys, bye bye.